Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passion fruit pancakes. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you So what is a pancake primarily? A pancake is a custard base with flour and baking powder. What is a custard? A custard is eggs, milk, sugar, and flavoring. And you guessed it, the flavoring would be passion fruit. So the first thing to do is to extract the passion fruit juice. So I'm now going to add to the passion fruit juice milk, eggs, sugar, some vanilla essence. I'm going to mix this and then I'm going to add in the flour and baking powder. So what you need is a saute pan like what I have here. After that, I'm going to place it on the stove with some butter. Place a small amount of pancake mixture in here. When I'm seeing bubbles on top the pancake mixture, I'm going to flip it until it also has that wonderful golden brown color. And pretty much that would be pancakes made with passion fruit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube. If you're seeing this on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.